In this world, good and evil exist side by side like two sides of a coin. Good represents encouragement, kindness, and compassion, while evil embodies wickedness, suffering, and chaos. The struggle between good and evil is not only a part of cultural tradition, but also an integral aspect of the human experience. Good is regarded as the source of beauty and happiness. It is manifested through acts of forgiveness, compassion, and selflessness. Those who embody goodness devote their time and effort to helping others, leading by example, and fostering positive connections among people. However, evil is an unavoidable part of life as well. It manifests through selfishness, cruelty, and a thirst for power. Malevolent actions cause pain and destruction all around. Those who embrace evil often seek personal gain without regard for the consequences to others. However, the world is not always as clear-cut as black and white. Many situations and characters are depicted with complexity, where they face the choice between good and evil. The story is not merely a struggle between two forces, but also about choosing between right and wrong, between courage and fear. The struggle between good and evil, a part of life, and each of us must confront it every day. What matters is that we listen to the inner voice, guided by the spirit of goodness, a driving force for our actions, and steer clear of the temptations of evil.